Hi guys. I wanted to show you real quick before I run out of daylight. I wanted to show you how to get the seeds from your Celosia plants. How to harvest seeds. I'm basically just going to cut them and put them over in the bucket. This one doesn't have a lot of seed. I'll get you in here close in a second, but I just cut them and stick them upside down in the bucket. These are too far gone to use for bouquets. So I grew these particularly for seed right here, this little patch. So it's not too big of a deal that they look so rough. This was just a weedy area that I hadn't planted with anything. So what I'm gonna do is cut these and then see if they regrow more shoots and possibly use those for bouquets or get the seeds from those too. So I don't really care if I mix up the colors or anything like this one, and I don't even know if those will produce, if all of these will produce seeds, because some of them don't look like they're ready yet, but some of them do. So let me get up closer to these ones that you can actually see the seed and show you up close. Okay, this one right here, I'll cut that shorter so you can see. Hopefully I don't drop the seeds out of it. Can you see in here? You can see the little black seeds. So what I do is just flip it over the bucket and shake it out like that. And all these little black things inside are the seeds. Here's another good one. Do you see those seeds right there? I'm gonna set you down. Vinny's going crazy. Right. Can you see that? So I'm just gonna, here's my bucket. I'm just flipping it over. You can already hear them coming out. I'll get you in here close. And I just do that. There you go. Celosia seeds with minimal chaff in there. We just do that. And then I just flip them over like that and leave them in the bucket. So we just take this. Flip it over in the bucket. Oh, Vinny. That's pretty much it. So then we just let these kind of dry out. I let them dry out a little bit in the buckets, shake them out more, and keep the seeds real dry, and then store them away. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.